team from India, also Commerce Department, has also been negotiating, been talking about it. And while the talks are going on, we also have a contingency plan that has been put in place for not just for the last 6 months. Prime Minister Modi ji has been putting this in place for the last 10 years, where Make in India initiative, or making sure that Indian consumption actually goes up for the products that are made in India also. So there are contingency plans that is being happening on the sidelines also. So I think we'll absorb this, and definitely in the long run, American people, American markets will also come back and realize, and definitely will come on board and reduce their tariffs, whatever is being implemented.
And how do you see that, how it will impact Indian markets after this announcement?
We have to see how it will impact, because it might go both ways. Because I give an example of Toyota, a Japanese car which is very efficient, fuel efficient and everything, and runs for a long time. It has happened because there were restrictions that are implemented in Tokyo in 1960s, that any vehicle has to have this many kmpl per liter. Because those restrictions are there, the innovation has happened. So in the same way, sometimes when the restrictions are there, innovation might happen, and our products might get better quality ones, and our industries can be more efficient. So it can go both ways. So I look at it in a positive way, and I wish and I hope that our industries will react in a better way, and they become more efficient.